Hello there, welcome to lesson 3. In this lesson we are talking about accounting process. Hope you have watched lesson 1 and 2 about introduction and accounting concepts. In lesson 3 we talk about accounting process and we'll study the steps by steps from the beginning of transaction to where we report to the users. Let's go to those steps. And step number 1 is identifying. We identify a transaction and we identify them from source documents. These are receipts or invoice or any other source document. Once you have done that, then the next step is to record. Recording is done in a journal. A journal is a book where all transactions are recorded immediately when they are identified. Once you have recorded, remember you have recorded all the information in the journals. So we need to go to another step so that you can have these information or the transaction that you have recorded in journals. They are being classified. The classification is done by use of ledger. Ledger now give or it takes all the transaction and put them in separate accounts where they belong. Once they are put in the separate account, we need to summarize them, and let's go to step number 4. Summarizing now these so that they can be reported in a better way to the users. So how do we summarize these? Remember, all these steps I'm just directly explaining them, but I'll do it mathematically in the next lessons. So kindly subscribe to our channel and you'll be able to follow us once we have new recordings and new tutorials. So the summarizing is done by a trial balance. The work of a trial balance is transfer the balances from the ledger and it put them in a summarized way that can be used to prepare the final statements. The final statements we usually have two, where transfer comes from the trial balance. The first, which is considered after the trial balance, is the analysis step, which is done by the statement of financial performance. Sometimes we call it a trading profit and loss account. This account will analyze what is transferred from trial balance to give the profit or a loss at the end of the year. Once that is done, then we have to do the reporting to the users, and that is done in the step number 6, that is presentational reporting, and there is a document which is fit for that, and that document we call statement of financial position, whereby we are able to summarize everything to a document that can be understood by the users. Whatever we get from statement of financial performance, that is profit or loss, then it's treated. It usually adjusts the capital. We learn this in the next lesson in the accounting equation to get to know the 3 factors that affect accounting equation. Having learned that, then let's go to our questions, self-assessment questions. Look at them. If you are able to answer them, they will assist you to understand that topic more. And in case you have anything, you can put them in the comment there so that you can understand and take care of you in the right way possible. So the next lesson, as I've said, we are going to the accounting equation, where we learn about the equation and able to start now this process of accounting in practical. We'll do it together with you. Thank you for watching.